Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, ChaoticCritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is the kickoff of my Planning for 2021 series. I've been doing this since 2016 when I started the Planning for 2017 series. So if you guys have been around for that long, thank you so much for sticking around. And if you're new, welcome. So I have the two planners that I am going to be carrying into 2021 and using, and I also have some honorable mentions, so I'm going to get into all of that. I also want to make a note that there is a holiday giveaway going on. It ends this Friday, December 18th. I will have information in the description box for you guys to go ahead and sign up if you haven't already. So yes, a holiday giveaway. There will be 3 winners. There's going to be a planner bundle given away, 2 items from my shop, as well as a $25 Amazon gift card to each of the 3 winners. So if you guys would like to get in on that, again, I'll have it linked in the description box. Let's go ahead and get into these planners. So I've already talked about in previous videos my dynamic duo. I even talked about them on my Instagram. This is the planner that I am currently using as my functional planner. This is a sketchbook that I turned into a planner, and it has been working great for me. I make my weekly list. I put notes in here. Whatever I need to keep up with, it is in here. Now, this planner is not everyone's cup of tea, but I'm here sharing mine. I would recommend, when it comes to choosing a planner, I do have related videos when it comes to choosing the style of planner based on your writing style and the size that you would like. I am more comfortable with something that is compact for me to be able to bring on the go. So this has been ideal, and I was actually inspired by Journal Jot and Jive to give the bullet journaling another try. This time, instead of doing a bound option, I went with the coil spiral option. So again, this is just a sketchbook from Michaels. Here's the paper, nothing fancy. I can have this blank canvas and turn it into anything that I want. I did go ahead and decorate the cover. These are Gold Mine and Cocoa dolls. I do have a coupon code for this. And this is from my shop, 15 Roses. I'll have it all linked in the description box with coupon codes. And then I did add a pocket on the back here as well. And this is from Rose Shadow Collection. So you still have the flexibility to add, even with spiral notebooks, which I love. Then there's my memory planner. My memory planner is an 18-month planner from Michaels. Look at Michaels saving me some coin, and I'm not going all over the place. I love memory planning. I have planned so far ahead. I'll actually show you guys some spreads that are not filled out. So here's Christmas week. This is using Simply Me Kish stickers. This is using a mix of Gold Mine and Cocoa and Jamison Reed designs. Then we move into January, and I have more spreads pretty much all mapped out. These are from stickers from the Gooseby twins. Then we come into February. I have stickers here. This one, I'm thinking of doing like a Valentine's Day theme. I have more stickers here, more Gold Mine and Cocoa. Moving into March, these are from the Jewel Box. These are from Rose Shadow Collection. Love this little 90s vibe. More stickers, and I think I even have some in April. So for me, with memory planning, I like to lay out my stickers ahead of time and then go in and fill the blanks and add other stickers from my stash. So that is what's been working for me. This is the more sticker heavy deco planner. Whereas this one, it might get a little bit of deco love, but it's really just pen to paper and a lot of list pad layering and sticky notes, all of this being from cloth and paper. But you can of course make it your own if you choose to do this kind of option, and that's that. So these are the 2 that are definitely going into the new year. My catch-all planner, which is currently this sketchbook. I don't know if I'm going to switch into another one. If I fill this up and it works out, I'll just move into another one. Don't know if it's going to be a sketchbook or something else. And then this one, which is my 18-month planner. This is what I'm going to be rocking with all year. So this is pretty much permanent. And this one, on the other hand, may switch out, of course, once I fill the pages. So my catch-all and my memory planner, those are 2 definites. Then when it comes to the honorable mentions, I'm really a notebook lover. I've realized that about myself. So I have these two ring planners that if I'm really like out of sorts with the, because I go through these phases, I know I'm not the only one. If I'm really out of sorts with the spiral planners, then I can just come back into rings. So this one is from B6. This is from B6. This is a B6 from Printpressions, and the rings are pretty large. I do want to set this up. I really do like it. It's just when I was planning in here, I didn't love it as much as I thought I would, and I do love the B6 size, but there's a lot of space in here. There's a lot of space on these rings, like a lot of space. Do y'all see that? A lot of space. There we go. A lot of space. So another thing I'm thinking is that maybe I should have went with the elastic closure like on this one. This is from Michaels, but I should have went with an elastic closure, which Printpressions does offer. But I went with the elastic band, trying to get that traveler's notebook kind of feel. But that's that. And then this one is an A5, and I pretty much got this one for free-ish, and using my rewards dollars. So this one is beautiful. It's A5. I did have the larger functional binder as well. That one may come back into the rotation. Maybe the ring planners are going to make a comeback in 2021. Again, honorable mention. Now, if I'm staying on the coil wave and I need a daily option, that is where the Gold Mine and Cocoa undated planner comes in. Here's what each day looks like, and it does have months as well. Where are they? So you have the space for 22 before 2022, and then here's what the month looks like. I do need to do a video on this one showing you guys all the specs, so that's going to be coming. But this came in the subscription box, and it's undated, so I can use it really at any time. And again, if I need to do something daily, that's cool. Another thing with this, I think that this, if I wanted to rip it out and hole punch it, I could put it into my functional binder planner from Michaels. It's almost like the same size, so it's a little bit larger if I wanted to put this on rings instead of the coil. So that's an option, but I do like that I have this. So again, honorable mention, if I choose to go the daily route. We don't know what's going to happen in 2021. And then when it comes to my faith planning, these I had from this year. This one is from Hello Revival, and this one is from Paper Sunday. This is just a notebook. I was using this for my sermon notes, and I want to get back to doing that, sermon notes and scriptures. And then this one, I love this devotional. So you have what you're thankful for, scripture, reflection, prayer, and then personal space to write whatever you would like there. And how I was using it is that I would take either a scripture or a song and put it on this page and then fill this in based on how I was feeling during the day. And I started using this really at the height of the nation shutting down back in April. I live in Jersey, so it was March. Actually, it was March. It was really bad here. Watching the news was really depressing, and I was in a state of fear, and I needed to recenter myself, and this was really helpful with that. So I do want to finish it. I really do love the layout of this. I have done reviews on both Paper Sunday and Hello Revival, and I'll have any codes I have, again, will be in the description box. But these will end up in the rotation. These are not necessarily honorable mentions. I reach for them when I reach for them. But one of the things I do want to make more of a habit of is sitting down and centering myself. And that's it. Just centering myself. Because with everything going on, we can easily get lost. So those are the honorable mentions. These are definite. So my catch-all, my memory planner, definite options. And then the honorable mentions are the B6 rings, the A5 rings, the Gold Mine and Cocoa daily on a coil, and then we have my faith planning duo. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to Leave a comment on what you're using in 2021, what you plan on using. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to everything that I featured, any coupon codes that I have. Of course, I'll have the giveaway details, my shop information, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is ChaoticCritic.com. My Instagram is @ChaoticCritic. If you want to check out my shop, head over to 15roses.com. Use the code CTC to save 30% and check me out on Instagram and TikTok at Shop15Roses. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next edition of Planning for 2021. Bye, guys.